Okay, so this is a video on how to install the wheel blackouts on your Kia heart-shaped rims. So what you're going to get in the kit is you're going to get 4 sets of these, one for each wheel, and then there's also going to be a couple of sets of spares in there in case you screw anything up, but that shouldn't be a problem. So the first thing you want to do is you want to clean your wheel. My wheels were in really good shape, and so I just used a water vinegar solution and just cleaned them, let them dry. Then to do this, it's actually really quite simple. You'll need 1 sheet for your wheel, paper towel might be helpful, and some soapy water. So this is about 12 ounces of water with 2 drops of ivory soap. And that will make it easy for you to move the blackouts around to get them exactly perfect and then let them dry in place. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray that location, and I'm just going to wipe away with my hands a little bit of the excess soapy water. Then I'm going to peel one of my decals off, one of these blackout decals. Of course, if you're all thumbs like me, it'll take you a sec to peel it off. And once you got that, you just kind of put it in place and then just move it around. It'll just come unstuck there, and then you can just move it around till you get it just centered perfect the way you want it. And then just take a paper towel and just dampen it a little bit, just taking away any excess water. And if you see any bubbles or anything, you can push them out. If you do at the end don't notice there's a bubble and then you see one and you can't get it out, all you need to do is take a pin. You just put a tiny little pin prick in the bubble and then just push the air out and it's gone and you won't even notice the hole. But anyway, there you go. So there's one piece. So then I'm going to do this finger here. All right, so I'm just going to move this around, get a little bit of soapy water in there, peel away one of the blackouts, one of the long blackouts. And once again, I just kind of put it about where I want it, and then I just move it around till I get it right centered. There you go, looks pretty good. I'm looking for bubbles. There's no bubbles. Still moving around pretty easily. Stick away. So this should dry for about, I'd let it dry overnight, and then they'll be on good and they won't come off. You'll have to peel them off to get them off. And so now you continue for the rest of the wheel. And I'm just going to do that here real quick, and I'll get back to you guys in a sec. Okay, I've done a bunch now, and I'm just down to my last 2 pieces. I've already sprayed them, I'll spray them again. Just a tiny bit of spray. Just move it around. And so I'm going to have another one of these pieces. Let's put it on. Like I said, you can move it around for about maybe even up to 5 minutes or so until the soap kind of dissipates, the soapy water dissipates, and then she'll stay on stuck. And your last piece. This literally took me, once I had everything ready to go with my soapy water spray bottle and the rims cleaned. It probably took me longer actually to clean the rim than it did to put this on. There you go. That's it. Just gotta let it dry. And that's what it looks like.